exhausted?
No, it's never exhausted. In fact, the Crown Prince can tell you, especially in your part of the world, it's never exhausted until the final 12 seconds. Is that right?
That is correct.
You never know what's going to happen. No, it's not exhausted. Nothing's exhausted. We'll see what happens. I think they would like to make a deal. I know they'd like to make a deal. They'd like to do it, but they'd like to do it on certain terms and conditions, and we won't do that. But at some point, it will work out, in my opinion. The problem was the deal that was signed by the previous administration was a disaster, which, by the way, would be expiring in a very short period of time also. So you really don't have a deal. You know, that deal was a very short-term deal. So they made a deal, but it was for a very short period of time. So that deal would be expiring very soon. Yes.
Are you encouraging Israel and the Saudis to work together on this issue, particularly since they have
Always. I encourage
goal?
everybody. I want everybody to work together. The Middle East is an interesting place. They historically have not been working together too well. But no, Israel is starting to work together with a lot of countries that you wouldn't have thought possible 2 years ago. Yes, Steve?
Have you promised the Saudis that the U.S. will protect them?
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I haven't promised the Saudis that. We have to sit down with the Saudis and work something out. And the Saudis want very much for us to protect them, but I say, well, we have to work. That was an attack on Saudi Arabia, and that wasn't an attack on us. But we would certainly help them. They've been a great ally. They spend $400 billion in our country over the last number of years. $400 billion. That's 1.5 million jobs. And they're not ones that, unlike some countries where they want terms. They want terms and conditions. They want to say, can we borrow the money at 0% for the next 400 years? No. No, Saudi Arabia pays cash. They've helped us out from the standpoint of jobs and all of the other things. And they've actually helped us. I would call and I would say, listen, our oil prices, our gasoline's too high. You got to let more go. You know that. I would call the Crown Prince and I'd say, you got to help us out. You got to get some more, and all of a sudden the oil starts flowing and the gasoline prices are down. No other president can do that. No other president was able to do that, or maybe they didn't try, but I've done it. So now they're under attack, and we will work something out with them. But they also know that, you know, I'm not looking to get into new conflict, but sometimes you have to.
Mr. President, what's your message to Iran right now?
Excuse me?
What's your message to Iran right now?
I think I'll have a stronger message, or maybe no message at all, when we get the final results of what we're looking at. But right now, it's too soon to say. There's plenty of time. You know, there's no rush. We'll all be here a long time. There's no rush. But I'll have a message, whether it's a strong message or maybe no message at all, depending on the final results.